Welcome everyone. In this video, I will show you how to send money from Payoneer to bank account. Go and open your Payoneer and log in into your account, then go to Pay option on the left side. Then now you should click on Manage Recipient Accounts, and now you will have to add a specific recipient account before you send the money. So I'm going to click on Add Recipient Account, then choose if you want to add single bank account or multiple bank accounts. In this case, we will choose single bank account. Now you will have to choose the type of the bank account, then the country, and also the currency. Then click on Next. Additionally, you'll need to enter some recipient details, including the phone number, email, street number, address, etc. Now click on Next. And here you should enter all the account details, including bank name, account name holder, then the IBAN. And after that, choose this option right here, click on Next and add bank account. After that, you should go to the left side in the Pay section again, then click on Pay to Recipient's bank account. Then here, you should click on Pay From and choose which currency that you are going to pay from. Then choose which account are you going to send money to. And if you want to add a bank account, you can simply add it from here. It will only show you here all the added accounts that you can transfer to that I have shown you how to add one. Then here you should type the amount of money, and down below it will show you the minimum account that you can send and the maximum account that you have actually. And finally, you have to enter the payment reference and the transaction description, and this is optional. Then click on Review right here. You can also schedule the payment by clicking on this button on the top right corner. And after you finish, you just have to click on Pay, and this will take about 2 to 3 days of work. Then it will send you a verification code to your mobile phone. You just have to enter it right here, then click on Submit. That's pretty much it. Support us with like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.